Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And then to get the Meta AI feature, we need to go to our Instagram direct messages. So we can click on this icon on the top right to open up the Instagram DM. And the Meta AI will appear right here. As you can see, this is my Meta AI, and I can ask anything to this AI. But for your information guys, that not all accounts get this Meta AI feature, because I think the Instagram gave us this feature gradually, so you need to wait for your turn, and this is my turn. So you need to check your Instagram direct message many times to make sure that you get the Meta AI feature. And as you can see, I have got this feature on my Instagram account, and I'm going to show you how we can use this feature. You just need to click on Ask Meta AI to ask something to the AI. For example, I'm going to use the prompt right here. I'm going to use this one guys, this prompt. Okay, all right, and you can use the AI to help you. For example, I'm going to ask the AI to create photo about butterfly. Okay, and we can send it, and the AI will do it for us. Okay, you'll be able to use this AI feature in your chat as well, either personal chat or group chat. And I'm going to use the AI in my group chat. Okay, I'm going to use the Meta AI in this group chat. If you want to use the Meta AI, you just need to click on this symbol right here, guys. You can see it, right? Okay, tap on that, and then you can ask the Meta AI. I'm going to ask anything like this. We need to mention the Meta AI like this, and we'll be able to use it. I'm going to ask the Meta AI to create debate topic for us. All right. And we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Meta AI on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.